So I don't know how many of you got disappointed by the show, but for me, I got little disappointed from the WandaVision. I am not saying that the show was bad, show was absolutely awesome, and deep down, we all knew that at the end of the day, this is Wanda's show. That must be ended with Wanda, and it absolutely happened. WandaVision, the first ever MCU web series, gave birth to a lot of fan theories like X-Men joining the MCU, Doctor Strange featuring in the show, etc. etc. And today in this video, I'll explain the ending of the WandaVision, the things that fans were expecting and got disappointed, and the post-credit scene of the show. So hello everyone, I am Vaibhav. Let's begin the video. The first ever MCU show has got a lot of speculation for the viewers, like the theories of the Fantastic Four joining the MCU, X-Men's, Doctor Strange cameo, Wolverine, and the most important one, Mephisto. Where the hell is Mephisto? Matt Shakman, the director of the show, in his interview with TV Line said, I know there will be a lot of disappointed people with some theories and some people will feel very smart, but you can't please everybody obviously, but I hope folks will enjoy the ride. These lines were for those who were expecting lots of things from the show, especially from the finale episode, like the future of the MCU and big threats. Us, the viewers, were expecting too much from the finale episode, but no matter what it is, finally we now have a powerful Scarlet Witch, an upgraded Vision, a new female Avenger that shows that there are a lot of things coming in the future of the MCU and they can't face a small villain in this amount of superpowers. So the beginning of the Phase 4 has been officially started with a bang. The finale had two main elements. Expect Wanda, Agatha Harkness, the witch who wanted to absorb Wanda's power to get more powerful or something. The bad version of Vision controlled by the sword. And we also had a Pietro who captured Monica at the end credit scene of the episode 7. So after almost a year and more, we actually saw a nail-biting thriller fight in the MCU between Agatha and Wanda, that too at the magical level threat, while there was risk of one dying at the end of the fight. The most unexpected one was Vision versus the White Vision, where beside fighting, Vision actually saved himself by giving memories to his new version. Memories bring back memories. So not only Wanda is upgraded but also Vision, that confirmed that all of this will lead to a more cosmic level threat that I have discussed in my video, all the upcoming Phase 4 movies and villain in the MCU. Watch it if you can. In the 8th episode, Agatha stopped Wanda from using her power, but this time Wanda played mind games and with her extreme level Scarlet Witch powers and magic, she won. The finale episode had two post-credit scenes, one from the Monica Rambeau where a Skrull meets her and refers Nick Fury as her mother's old friend that wanted to meet Monica. As we have seen in the post-credit scene of the Spider-Man Far From Home where Nick was in contact of Skrulls. So it's confirmed that there are space level things going in the universe and Nick wants Monica. And the second post-credit scene where Wanda learning magical spells so that she upgrade herself more, and this absolutely means her being more powerful and exploring herself in the Doctor Strange and the Madness of the Multiverse, where she will face a major villain with the Doctor Strange. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you are bored, then do watch my other videos such as Origin, Facts and Powers of Wanda, Thor Force leaked images and many more. I will meet you in another Marvel DC topic. Till then, bye bye.